hello, welcome back. It's been a while. Sorry about that. It's been a really long summer for me with lots of stuff. I had some weddings that I did cakes for. If you haven't seen them yet, please check out my Instagram at Dani-mite cupcakes. Yeah, and I'm gonna be baking not one, not two, but 3 different types of cookies today. Not different types. 3 different peanut butter cookies because I recently bought this little peanut butter from Kraft and we noticed that they had a super easy peanut butter cookie with just 3 ingredients. And I'm like, how does that even work? What would that taste like? So I'm gonna do the super easy 3 ingredient recipe. I then have all my stuff ready for a classic peanut butter cookie. And and I have one that claims to be the best ever chocolate chip peanut butter cookie. So I might have to add some chocolate chips to the other ones just to give it a fair shot because chocolate and peanut butter are life. So yeah, we're gonna mix them all up and we're going to bake them and we're gonna test them. So come along with me on this journey. All right, so we're gonna start with the super simple 3 ingredient recipe. I don't know why, but I have my peanut over there. So I'm starting with a cup of peanut butter that I pre-measured everything because mise en place, right? I'm really curious about this one because it's a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of white sugar, and an egg. So if you are gluten intolerant, this one would be a really great one. Alicia, I'm looking at you. If these turn out, I'll let you know you need to make these or not. We'll see. And it just says to use a spoon and mix it all up, so let's do that. I mean, I guess it's more like a truffle than a cookie. I wouldn't really call this cookie batter, but we'll see. I have my oven preheated to 325. And you know what? Let's try it. So I had some trouble. It's supposed to be in 24, which I did, but it's just like dollops of peanut butter. It says to press it down with a fork. These do not look like cookies. Well, okay. We'll see, Kraft, what you're up to. I need to spray this again. They're not the same size. I think they're just gonna melt together, but you know what? We're trying it. Where'd my thing go? Okay. Bake 20 minutes, okay. Let's take them in while we make batter number 2, shall we? For recipe number 2, just your classic peanut butter cookie, kind of like what Mama used to make. Love you, Mama. So I have mixed together my flour, my baking soda, and salt. Not very much. I'll link the recipes down below so that you can find them. I don't want to have to do all the jargon. You don't need it. But I'm going to cream together my butter, and I'm gonna add brown sugar. This one uses light brown sugar. That's important because the next one uses dark brown sugar, but we'll get to that when we get there. So I'm just gonna add all that in the white. Why am I making 3 types of cookies, you ask? Partially because I wanted to compare, partially because my anxiety is really bad today dealing with going back to work, but we'll just do our best. So I'm going to do a speed montage because nobody wants to see me mixing for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Next, we are going to add our peanut butter, our room temperature egg, and our vanilla. Throw it in the sink. Deal with it later. Right? Right. That's how we do things here. I keep forgetting to have my utensils out. And everything else. I feel sometimes like I'm so on the ball. And other times I am just 100% like just brain. I don't know where you are. Anybody else? No? Just me? Alright then. Okay. Now, vanilla is the only thing I didn't pre-mix because I'm using it for both and I didn't want it just sitting around. So 1 teaspoon. And we will mix again. Alright, cue the speed montage again. Alright, so I am adding my dry ingredients and mixing until just combined. If you make a mess, that's okay. I put down a washable cloth because I don't like the look of the top of my island because it's temporary, and B, I know it's noisy, especially because without my mic, which I still haven't replaced yet because I haven't yet, I didn't want to have to deal with it. So there's that. Helps with the noise. By the way, if you're wondering why I have this bow in my hair, I have Snow White inspired makeup today. I am doing makeup over on my TikTok sometimes. You can follow me at Dani-mite1991. Sometimes I just post funny videos of my family. Sometimes it's me doing makeup. Sometimes I do duets. I don't really have a purpose, just fun. You know what? That's okay. Finishing up by crisscrossing with my fork. And then we will be increasing the oven temperature to 350 because the other ones are 325. And we'll stick these guys in for 12 minutes. But because I'm going to be baking them both at the same time, after 6 minutes, I'm going to rotate my pans. Yeah. But let's prep our last cookie. The quote-unquote best chocolate chip cookie ever. You can see in the background, I've already taken out the 3 ingredient cookies. I made the mistake of not lowering my oven temperature, so that might make them different, and I actually have to move them because I have to use the microwave. So for this last recipe, I am going to melt my butter. Okay, it's going to be a really different recipe than I've ever done. So I'm just going to pop that in and I'll get right back to you. Vigorously mix our peanut butter into the hot butter. Vigorously, it's funny. Whoa! I didn't wear an apron, maybe I should. Oh, I am gonna grab my wooden spoon because it's gonna be better than the spatula. Nothing's happening, my love. Vigorous, okay. Oh, there we go. Now that the peanut butter is melting a little bit, it's becoming easier. Okay, until well combined. That is not well combined yet. Wow, I am glowing under these lights. Pale person problems.
That's spicy.
What's spicy?
It's spicy, Mom.
4 years old, officially. The thing about this recipe is it calls for 2 eggs plus a yolk. Now, with my dieting that I kind of do, I tend to do a little bit less egg, but I need to test the recipe. And cookies are a treat, right? Ooh, dieting, treats, cookies, what's that? But yeah, well, sorry Mom. Maybe don't make these for Dad. Alright, and just add them one at a time. So I'm just cracking them into another bowl just to make sure I don't accidentally get yolk, or not get yolk in there, derp. Get shell, because nobody wants crunchy cookies unless it's crunchy with like nuts and something that you're supposed to crunch it to, not shell. Okay. I know I didn't do this for the other ones, but because of it being the 3, I'm just, well, 2 plus the yolk, I'm just a little bit more worried I'm gonna mess up because, you know, people make mistakes, right? We all just have habits of accidents. Oh, time to rotate the cookies.
What's happening?
Nothing's happening. I'm rotating cookies, my love.
Cookies. Let's have the cookies.
Now those look like peanut butter cookies, and my other one should be about ready to transfer. We can also get that guy ready. Put the yolk, get rid of all of its friends. Okay. And then this one uses 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I am gonna put that aside for tomorrow's breakfast because egg whites, so good for you. I know I'm boring. Okay, I'm a boring white mom. I'll probably take that out. 1, 2. Okay, real quick, while these cookies just came out of the oven, for these ones that are kind of ugly, I read that or saw on TikTok, you take a glass, a wide one that's big enough, and you just swirl them around, and it makes it round and beautiful. Okay, seriously, this is like the most fun I've ever had. Right here. Hi, beautiful.
No beautiful.
Now, this recipe, if you wanted to, you can refrigerate it. I really don't want to. I want to get these all done and tested today because I'm back to work tomorrow. Oh, well, kind of. So, I work for a school and we've been undergoing some mega renos, and yeah, and it just got a little bit delayed, so I have to set up a temporary office, which is fun. Always fun. Gradually stir in the flour. And it also says this dough might be a little on the crumbly side. I am making a mess. Good thing this is all able to go in the laundry. Laundry is a never-ending battle in this house because we're also potty training. That's fun. I really needed these cookies, okay? I mean, do you ever have to justify making cookies? I don't. Well, I do. I've justified it now a few times. Okay. And then... Now, I'm also really feeling this recipe because it called for 2 cups. Yes, we're making cookies. It called for 2 cups of chocolate. They're not done yet, my love. Okay.
It's done. Chocolate.
Chocolate!
And we chocolate then. Thank you. Chocolate.
I do too. Are you excited about chocolate chip peanut butter cookies?
Yeah, I really like cookies.
You like peanut butter cookies? I'm glad I caught that on camera. Say hi to the people.
Look at you.
It's me and you. Do you see Cladri?
Again.
Good job. All right, this is now well mixed.
What we
And
do?
I need to get another tray ready. So let's transfer those ones to a wire rack. And
What mommy do?
next time you see me, we are going to be testing all of the cookies. We have our 3 different types of cookies. I don't know if you can see the difference. So we have our 3 ingredient cookie. Doesn't look very pretty. We have the classic cookie. And we have the perfect chocolate chip cookie. And I've enlisted my taste tester. Are you so excited? We're going to share them, okay? Mommy's going to break it in half. Oh, that one broke so beautifully.
Book to baby.
Ready for this? Ooh, yeah. Okay, Cal. Try this one first.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's a cookie, I guess. It's kind of crumbly.
Like that coming.
Not my favorite. Alright. I want to try the soft one. Moving on to your classic. Mmm. It's just soft. And chews like a dream.
It's
that one. And last but not least, our chocolate chip one.
I'm chocolate. I'm broken.
It's okay.
It's broken and big apple.
You can definitely tell it has all the extra fat from the extra egg and yolk because it's very cakey. It's not as peanut buttery. So if you're looking for a good chocolate chip cookie, or not chocolate chip cookie, if you're looking for a good peanut butter cookie, I actually recommend number 2 as my winner. I would add chocolate chips to it next time. Because this one, it's a really good cookie. Don't get me wrong, the chocolate is but I didn't enjoy that classic peanut butter. I didn't think that that would be my favorite. I thought this one would be. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I'm going to put all the links down below. If you can give us a thumbs up and hit share and subscribe. I am going to be trying to get back on my weekly posting schedule, but like I said, I'm back at work. We'll see how this goes. Either way, I'm really happy to be back here, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you all next time.